Hi guys, welcome back to this beautiful video. Are you looking for a 1-minute scalping strategy you can always use for your synthetic indices or your currency trading? Alright, join me as I review the scalping strategy I use always to look for a trade. Alright, first I did a top-down analysis as usual. I spotted a pin bar right there, and then I try to understand the general trend of the market. Okay, I had to go lower to 4 hours. It is very necessary to do a top-down analysis. It gives you a bigger picture of what the market is doing, because as a forex trader you don't have to trade against the trend. The trend is your friend. So I go lower to 1 hour. Having check this 4 time frame, I can easily tell that the market is actually bearish, about to sell. So right here on the 30-minute time frame, I spotted the M formation, the M pattern. So this strategy is all about spotting your M pattern or your M formation. It's very important to whether you're scalping or you want to do a swing trade, it's very important to trade A plus setup. So my M formation is my A plus setup. So all I needed to do was to look for my neckline. As usual, if you're trading M formation, you need to look for the M line. So after drawing my M line with my horizontal line, the next thing I needed to do was to allow trade play around my neck line. So having said that, I just have to wait for confirmation. On forex trading, confirmation, patience is key. Patience is key to every professional trader. You need to learn patience. So after confirming my neckline and I waited for confirmation, this is where I place my trade. So as usual, I don't go aggressive on my trade. The confirmation I got here was a rejection, a multiple rejection around that neckline which I marked. So if you see this trade, you can see that is a pure rejection. The market rejected immediately. I entered this trade. So this is how I place my sniper entry as well. So as you guys know, if you've been following me for a while now, you know I only trade sniper entry A plus setup. This is a kind of setup where I give market little or no room to reject, so I don't hold drawdowns. So I held this trade for a while, and then when it gave me my desired profit, I exit this trade. So this is how I place, this is how I look for 1-minute setup. So you can do this over and over again every day and you are good. I have made my desired profit, so I want to close this trade since it has already made 50 pips. So see you guys in the next video. Alright guys, if you find value in this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Bye for now. So if you only come to Forex trading with just the aim to make money, bro, I can guarantee you that you're going to lose a lot of money. Yes, it gives money. The primary goal why we all trade Forex trading is because we want to make money. But if you could look at it as a skill, if you could look at it as a craft, you can make much money from there. You can master it, just like you learning how to paint, and then every now and then you always think of how to improve your skill, how to become like a master. So that is how you should look at Forex trading. Always look at it with the eye that you want to become a master someday. You want to master the trend. You want to master the waves in the market. That is how you should look at Forex trading. I would advise you never to skip any part of this video, because I know a lot of lives have touched with my videos. I know a lot of persons have revived back to their real self. I know a lot of persons have helped to discover their inner strength in Forex trading. So I would advise you never to skip any part of this video. Watch to the end. This video intention is to revive you, to make you become strong in Forex trading, to make you become a master in Forex trading, because the process begins with just a step. Alright guys, I'll be posting the part 2 of this video where I'll be revealing the almighty formulas. Ensure you do well to watch that video. If you find value in this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. See you in the part 2.